NASA and Boeing have made significant progress towards bringing astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore back to Earth by completing a critical hot fire test of the Starliner spacecraft. During this test, Williams and Wilmore were aboard the docked Starliner as it fired 27 of its 28 jets in short bursts. This was done to assess the performance of the thrusters and check for helium leaks. The initial results are promising. All tested thrusters met pre-flight performance levels based on thrust and chamber pressure, indicating the spacecraft is ready for the return trip. Engineers opened all helium manifolds during the test to evaluate the helium supply and checks for leaks. After the test, these manifolds were closed and will stay that way until Starliner activates its propulsion system before undocking. The helium system was stable throughout the test, and an oxidizer isolation valve that was previously malfunctioned is now operating normally after being cycled several times. NASA and Boeing teams are now reviewing the data from this hot fire test, along with results from recent ground testing of Starliner thrusters at NASA's White Sands Test Facility in New Mexico. This review will be crucial for the return readiness review, which will determine the target return date for the astronauts. While preparations continue for Starliner's return, Williams and Wilmore are busy with their duties aboard the ISS as part of the Expedition 71 crew. On July 29, they checked the spacecraft's water systems, communicated with Boeing mission personnel, and performed a pressure test in their spacesuits. Wilmore also assembled the BioSurf centrifuge, and Williams reviewed procedures for operating the Astro B free-flying robotic assistants. Originally, the Starliner mission was supposed to be short, but it was extended due to issues with thrusters malfunctions and helium leaks. Despite these setbacks, the spacecraft successfully docked at the ISS, and engineers have been working hard to resolve the problems. The successful hot fire test is a major milestone, confirming the spacecraft's readiness for a safe return to Earth. The main priority remains the safe return of Wilmore and Williams. The recent test result will help determine the precise timing of their return, with potential undocking dates available throughout August. Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live for more such updates.